In this video, we're going to learn how to set up our menus. So we're going to go down to Appearance, click on Menus, create our first menu, which is going to be the primary navigation. So we're going to label it Primary Navigation. I'm going to create the menu. Then we're going to go down here. We're going to view all of our categories and view all of our pages. For the primary navigation, what I usually do is select all of the main categories with the exception of uncategorized and featured. We're going to leave those out. We're going to add them to the menu. And then usually I rearrange them just a little bit by putting blog at the end. Everything else is alphabetical, which is okay. We're going to go ahead and save that menu. We're going to use that menu as the primary navigation. So we're going to click Primary Navigation. And we're going to save that part. Then we're going to go add a second menu. This menu is going to be the secondary navigation. So we're going to label it Secondary Navigation. And we're going to create that menu. And for most of my blogs, I just use the pages here. So I'm going to do the About. And if I've created a contact page, which I usually do, I'll also add that to the menu. And then I save the menu. And then I'll go and add that to the secondary navigation. Save. Then that'll be ready when we go back here to Genesis to configure the theme. So we go to Genesis Theme Settings, and we pretty much leave everything the same. We include primary navigation. We're going to include the secondary navigation. I like to enable the fancy drop downs just in case we have some additional drop downs later. I will take off the trackbacks on post. We'll leave comments on post. That's okay to click that. I'll go back at the top. I'm going to leave all of this the same. I'm going to display content archives, 250 characters. I'm going to include the featured image, and I like to use the thumbnail. And then for the blog page, I'm going to select the blog category, leave everything else the same, and then I'm going to save the settings. And I've configured my menus, and I've configured my Genesis theme configuration as well.